Good morning, students. 7th class science. We have started chapter number 5, acids, bases and salts. In first lecture we have done that acids are of two types, naturally occurring acids and mineral acids. Now on the basis of their state, acids are again of two types. That two types are concentrated acids and dilute acids. That two types are on the basis of the state of acid. All the acids are what are acids? They are the solutions of acidic gases in water. Means acidic gases are dissolved in water that are forming the acid. A solution which contain maximum amount of acidic gas, and you can write here less amount of water. Maximum amount of gas and less amount of water, that acids are called concentrated acids. And a solution which contains less amount of gas but large amount of water, means opposite of concentrated acid. Lesser amount of gas, acidic gas, and large amount of water, that are called dilute acids. Thus acids are of different concentrations, can be prepared by changing the relative amount of gas and water. Means if we will change the amount of gas and we will change the amount of water, then we can change the type of acid. We can make concentrated acid and dilute acid. If you will add more water, then that acid will become dilute acid. If you will add less water, then that acid will become concentrated acid. Same way, if you will add maximum amount of gas, then that will become concentrated acid. If you will add less amount of gas, then that will become dilute acid. Means by changing the amount of gas and amount of water, we can change the type of acid. Now we will read about the uses of acid. Some acids are given there, that acid uses we will read. First is hydrochloric acid. Firstly, also we have read that hydrochloric acid is present in our stomach. In mineral acid we have read it is present in our stomach, which helps in the digestion of our food. It is also used for cleaning the toils, wash basin and toilets. Here now we will read about its uses for cleaning tiles, toilets, and for the preparation of chlorides and chlorine gas. Chlorine gas, which also we are chlorine tablets are also there, which we are using for cleaning the water. For the preparation of chlorine gas, for the preparation of chlorides like NaCl, salt, sodium chloride, which we are saying, that is also for that also hydrochloric acid can be used. It is also used for cleaning the iron sheets before galvanization. Now what is galvanization? Galvanization means coating of zinc on iron. Why we are coating zinc on iron? To prevent from rusting. This process is called galvanization. Before the galvanization, we are cleaning the iron. How? With the help of hydrochloric acids. For cleaning iron sheets before galvanization, we are using hydrochloric acid. For extracting glue from the bones. What is the meaning of for extracting glue from the bones? Means for cleaning the for purifying the bones, you can say. Extracting glue from bones means for purifying the bones. In textile industries, for dyeing. What are the textile industries? Textile industries are the industries which are used for making clothes. For dye the clothes, that which acid we are using? Hydrochloric acid. Next, nitric acid, where we are using it, its formula is HNO3. Nitric acid for preparing fertilizers. Now what are fertilizers which are we are giving to the crops for the good yield of crop? We are giving to them, that are fertilizers. For explosives, what are explosives? Like nuclear bomb or crackers, to that we are saying explosives. For dyes means to give colors. Next, for drugs means for making any medicines, what we are using? Nitric acid. In refining of gold and silver means to obtain pure gold and silver, what we are using? Nitric acid. Next is sulfuric acid. It is also used for preparing fertilizers. For detergents, what are detergents? Like which we are using for washing clothes, that are detergents, which we are saying surf. Next, plastic, to prepare plastic. For making synthetic fibers, what we are using? Sulfuric acid. In petroleum industries, for refining of petroleum, we know that petroleum consists of many things like petrol, diesel and kerosene oil. Many other things are also LPG, that all things are present in the petroleum. For the refining of petroleum means for separate these all things, what we are using? Sulfuric acid. In cleaning metal surface before electroplating means to cover the iron with any another matter, that is with the help of electricity, that is called electroplating. For cleaning, firstly we are cleaning the metal surface, then we are doing electroplating. For cleaning the metal surface, what we are using? Sulfuric acid. In lead acid batteries also we are using sulfuric acids. What are lead acid batteries? Which batteries we are using in cars or in inverters? That are lead acid batteries. In that, which acid is present? Sulfuric acid. Thank you. Now